Daddy, present. Demi, eh, I love you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ayaw gumising.
Dito na tayo yung darling. Pero, dami kasi followers mo.
Hi! We're here in Manila.
Saan ba yun?
Yes. Medical na kami.
Eating something.
Say hi everyone. What are you eating, my love? Show them. You're eating blue.
Berry.
Yeah, that's yummy.
So yummy.
I'll show them how to eat it. Like that. I'm done eating. Yummy.
Yummy.
Knock knock.
I'm already here now.
Hi po, teacher. Okay. Okay, so magluluto lang tayo ng beef kinemero na giniling. Ayan, so beans lang yan. Tapos beef. And then, in the pan. And then guys, ang kasama nito, hindi na ako magra-rice. So kasama niya ay yung in-air fry ko na kamote guys. Ayan guys, so matatapos ng kumulo ang ating beef. Tapos lagyan na natin yan ng oyster sauce tsaka ng pepper. Tapos lagyan na yung gulay. Ayan, that's our lunch. Ayan, tapos na tayo guys. Ito kay daddy, lalagay ko lang sa gilid kasi baka ayaw niya na nakahalo or nakagitna yung ayan, ang daming protein yan. Tapos yung sa akin guys, hirap naman yan, nahilo na kayo. Lagay ko lang din sa gilid. More veggies tayo guys. This is mine. Tapos ito guys yung kay daddy. Tada! Look, daddy clean it for you. Oh. See? It's clean already. Maayos na.
I'm getting my fish because they're gonna bite my hand.
Studying, playing time. Thank you for my food.
Welcome.
Guys, this is our dinner. Yan lang guys. Guys, ito kay daddy, ito sa akin. So, 3 kutsarang rice lang yan guys. And kay Luis egg.
He worked so hard so you can have this bread, sir.
Later. After go back home and let you sleep again.
Yeah.
You have to sleep again.
I'm still sleepy.
Yeah, when go back home.
Okay, I wanna go back home.
Sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep again.
Yeah. Come on. Guys, ang dumi na salamin ko. So, here is my snack. So, yan yung natirang ginawa kong salad last night ata. Ayan guys. So, merienda tayo guys while checking some activities.